हम राष्ट्रवादी हैं। हम इस देश को बढ़ता हुआ और मजबूत देखना चाहते हैं।
The state of Jammu and Kashmir is not a personal property of one family. It's an integral part of India. And you will have to decide how it is to be governed.
जब कभी इस युग का इतिहास लिखा जाएगा तो इतिहास को एक कठोर निर्णय भी करना पड़ेगा कि कश्मीर को लेकर कौन सा दृष्टिकोण सही था।
I see myself becoming a developed economy. Can a chaotic coalition do it for me? Or can a party with a single majority and allies as a part of the government to represent Indian federalism under a strong leader do it? And therefore, as against hope, this is an election of aspiration and of reality. It's an election where they are going to reaffirm their faith in the existing leader. They've tried him, they've tested him.
It's a debate between the constitutionalists and the devotees. And if I sum up the debate using taking some liberty with words, the constitutionalists believe that first there is the Supreme Court and thereafter there is a God. The devotees believe otherwise. And this is a global debate which goes on. And therefore, how to reconcile the two? I quite realize that there will always be grey areas left. And a reconciliation will always be a challenge.
Should even 1 rupee of the state be spent on me, or should it be spent on the poor and the vulnerable? The answer is very clear, it should be spent on the poor and vulnerable. We have shifted the focus, and the focus is that subsidies must now be targeted. Nobody should be able to get it twice over or 4 times over. You should be able to identify the people who get it, and those people in a targeted manner must get the benefit, and those who are undeserving must be phased out. The government and the state will save resources, and these resources must further be spent for the welfare of those people itself who deserve it. That's the principal object.
अब कम आयु से 17 साल की आयु से अब तक बीजेपी के साथ, पहले विद्यार्थी परिषद, जनसंघ, बीजेपी के साथ, और पिछले 45-46 वर्ष की एक एक घटना, एक एक दिन के साथ जो ग्रो करने का, बढ़ने का अवसर मिला, उसको समझने का अवसर मिला, तो उसका एक लाभ भी था कि आज तक कोई ऐसा शब्द या वाक्य नहीं निकला जिससे पार्टी को कभी तकलीफ हो पाए।
केंद्र सरकार में कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर रहना, पार्टी का एक राष्ट्रीय पदाधिकारी रहना और विपक्ष का नेता रहना, मुझे इसके जो अनुभव मिले हैं, शायद मेरा व्यक्तित्व निखारने में इनका ज्यादा रोल है। A very large spectrum of political leadership of India, from Jaiprakash Narayan to Morarji Desai to Vajpayee ji, Advani ji, we've worked with all of them, and I think there is something in a large number of them that you get to learn from.
सपना था एक ऐसे संसार का जो भय और भूख से रहित होगा। गीत था एक ऐसे महाकाव्य का जिसमें गीता की गूंज और गुलाब की गंध थी। लौ थी एक ऐसे दीपक की जो रात भर जलता रहा, हर अंधेरे से लड़ता रहा और हमें रास्ता दिखाकर एक प्रभात में निर्वाण को प्राप्त हो गया।